Okay, this is Dana Gregory back for video number 2 on the old K collection. I'm going to do some sound files. And the back row, 18s. The center row are 20s. And then the hi-hats are in the last row. Starting with old stamp, working my way around to the intermediate stamps and then over to the new stamps. So we'll start on the highest row here, the 18s. This one is an old stamp 2B with 1,480 grams. Old stamp 2B, 1,190 grams. Old stamp 3A, 1,190 grams. Old stamp 3A, 1,180 grams. Old stamp 3A, 1,350 grams. Intermediate, 1,460 grams. New stamp, 1,400 grams. Another new stamp, 1,500 grams. Okay, moving over, going back. This is a 19, old stamp 2B, 1,790 grams. This is my old stamp 2B, 1,940 grams. Kind of a trashy sound and cymbal. Another old stamp. This is 3A. This one is 2,290 grams. This is a very thin intermediate, 1,710 grams. Another intermediate, 1,970 grams. $2,295 intermediate. This is a 1,770 gram new stamp. $1,910 new stamp. And this is 1,990 grams new stamp. Moving to the hi-hats, these are my 13s, old stamp 2B. These are 14-inch old stamp 3A. These are my intermediate. these are my 15s. Old stamp top, new stamp bottom. Also, sometimes I use this old stamp. Oh, can't get it on. This is my old stamp 2A, and sometimes I use this 14 instead of the other thinner one. Makes a great hi-hat top. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.